Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the Sky Elf. It's a little 2-channel biplane. Has dual props. Little RC glider, it says. Mini glider. 992 is the model number. Here's the remote. Here's the plane. Let's hand launch it and see what we can do. I don't have a smooth surface really to take off, so I'm just gonna hand launch. But anyway, here we go. Wish me luck. First flight. Thanks for watching. Whoa! Gonna have to be light on the throttle. Thing wants to go straight up. You fly it indoors too. Oh, it's floaty. A little bit too breezy, I think, but we're gonna fly it anyway. You can definitely steer it. Whoa! That was crazy. Mayday! It's flying. You can really climb. I'd have to let completely off. Look at it get all rocky. Letting off too much, but it's getting up there. I don't want it to get carried off by the breeze. This would probably be a good one for indoors, as floaty as it is. A really calm day would be nice. Gets a little rocky with the wind. It's flying, guys. I probably wouldn't get it much further than that away from you. I'm guessing it probably doesn't have really long range, as small as it is. Mayday! Getting caught in that breeze. Can we pull it out? I think we did. How about that? Live action. Took out the GoPro. Trying to get a good close-up. I think we got one. Hope it turned out well. Yeehaw. Turn left, turn right. Up throttle to climb, lower the throttle to descend. Seems to fly smoother if you keep it turning. Try to go straight, then she wants to get a little crazy. Oh, not so bad now. It's not as breezy. It's calming down. Got a really nice day today. Nice. Well guys, for what I paid for this has been a lot of fun. I got my money's worth. I got her up there pretty high. I'm gonna try to run it pretty low, but not till it's dead. Maybe another minute or so here, and then I'll try to bring it in for a landing. We'll see what happens. There's that breeze. Hang in there, airplane. Whoa, 992, come on. Good job. Takes a little getting used to, but it's flyable. Got some unique characteristics. You just have to get them in there and practice and figure them out. Make some adjustments if you'd like. I think this one's pitching up a little too much, in my opinion. Add a little weight to the nose, or bend the flaps down in the back a little bit. There's a couple ways to try to correct it. Okay, I better land it. That wind's picking up pretty strong. Look at her. Look at her. Whoa. Here we go. Fighting the wind. Trying to land. Try to get up closer to me. I don't have to walk too far. I'm lazy. Oh, boom. Close, or good enough. We're close to a good landing. There you have it, guys. 992. Check them out. I think they may have them on Banggood. That's about the only place that has them. I think they discontinued it on Temu. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Bye.